Top 25 ITIL interview questions and answers in 2024. ITIL is a globally recognized framework to ensure business success with a standard IT management system. It creates strategic reviews and accurate, flexible, and quality-it-enabled services.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
ITIL Registered Trademark Symbol is a primary framework containing a set of IT service management practices. It aims to bring IT services closer to the needs of the customer and meet an organization's business needs. Our revised list of ITIL interview questions and answers provides in-depth details and the types of questionnaires to expect. With such ITIL interview questions and answers revised, the dream career is just around the way. The worst idea a candidate can afford to miss a chance is by skipping the most commonly asked ITIL interview questions and answers. Take a glance at the frequently asked ITIL interview questions and answers for experienced professionals or freshers in this article. Don't miss out on mastering the ITIL framework, which is the primary framework containing a set of IT service management practices. Ready to nail your ITIL interview? Dive into the top 25 ITIL interview questions and answers in 2024 to equip yourself with the insights and confidence you need to stand out. List of commonly asked ITIL interview questions and answers. 1. What is a backout plan? There are instances where, after the release, you encounter some crisis and the release fails. In such cases, withdrawal of release has to be done, for which a plan is laid out in advance. This is called a backout plan. 2. What is the first line of support? The service desk is the first line of support. 3. What does ITIL stand for? ITIL stands for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. 4. Name a few ITIL-based models adopted by an organization. Microsoft MOF, Hewlett-Packard, HP ITSM Reference Model, and IBM IT Process Model. 5. State the relationship between availability service time, and downtime. Availability percent is equal to available service time, downtime, available service time. 6. What are the types of SLA? There are 3 types of SLA. Service-based SLA, customer-based SLA, multi-level SLA. 7. SAC stand for Service Asset and Configuration Management. 8. What are the phases of a PDSA cycle? The 4 phases in the PDSA cycle are: Plan involves the identification and analysis of the problem. Do development and testing of a solution. Check how effective the solution is and look for areas for improvement. Act implementation of the improved solution. 9. What do you know about change requests and service requests? The change request is a formal way of requesting a change or alteration in a processor system. A service request is a request made by the user for access to a system, queries, and information related to the service. 10. When is an issue escalated? Usually, when a user finds some difficulty using the system or has some queries to make regarding it, they approach the service desk via chat, email, or phone call. The service desk helps them resolve the issue by using the tracking tools. However, there are cases where issues cannot be resolved by the service desk. It is when the issue is escalated for further help. 11. What is configuration management? Configuration management involves maintaining a list of inventory. Information related to the hardware and software of the organization is kept in one place for reference. 12. What are the roles in the RACI model? The roles in the RACI model involve: responsible, individual responsible for getting the job done. Accountable, individual accountable for the tasks. Consulted, individual who is to be consulted. Informed, individual who is informed about the progress. 13. Name a few knowledge management systems. Mentioned below are the few knowledge management systems. 14. What type of information is stored in CMDB? CMDB contains information that is responsible for holding a collection of IT assets known as configuration items, CI. Alongside this, it also holds information related to the relationship between these assets. 15. On what standard is ITIL security management based? ITIL security management is based on the ISO 27001 standard. 16. What does incident management do? The incident management team controls the flow of incident information. 17. Give some examples where the incident management process can be used. The incident management process can be used for bugs in an application, system downs, printer issues, and storage space alerts. 18. What information is needed to identify a known error? The information related to the cause of the problem is required to identify the known error. 19. What are the metrics for performance measurement in service management? There are 4 metrics for measuring performance. 20. What are the prerequisites to begin the testing process? Below is the list of information required to begin a testing procedure. Acceptance criteria. SLP. Release plans. 21. Name a few components of SKMS. Listed below are the few components of SKMS. Availability Management System. Configuration Management System. Service Portfolio. 22. What are the types of testing? The various testing types include security testing, usability testing, process testing, regression testing, compatibility testing. 23. What is the difference between incident management and problem management? While incident management focuses on resolving the issue then and there while attempting to get the user back on track, problem management takes a closer look at the issue and strives to find its root cause. 24. What is the role of availability management? The role of availability management is to ensure that the services are available to the user during the hours mentioned in the agreement. 25. Define OLA. OLA, Operational Level Agreement, is an agreement made between the service provider and a part of the same organization. Are you aspiring to make a career in IT service management? If yes, you must consider getting an ITIL certification. Getting certified and receiving certification from Axelo's governing body will help you build a successful career in IT industry.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.